Welcome to the ultimate event in the Peri Peri Games. In this, the tiebreaker, we'll see who wins the Peri Peri Games. Will it be Ryan or Sven? In this event, which is called I Wish We Had a Wishbone, our contestants get to pull each side of the bone, and whoever gets the largest part wins. Gentlemen, are you ready?
That's bad.
Do this.
That's bad.
On your marks, get set, go.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Yay.
And Ryan's won it. He has won the Peri Peri Games. Woo! Ryan, tell us how you felt about this specific event.
Well, it was pretty tough, I must say. It lasted quite a while. What was that? 6 seconds, I think. And yeah, I'm just glad that it's all over. And the better man won in the end.
Well, congratulations. I'm sure your grandfather would be proud. Sven, how did you feel about those games and that disappointing loss? Well, that's fantastic, chaps. Well, here we go. If you want to see more of this, go to www.nandos.co.uk and vote for who you think should have won the Peri Peri Games.